Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I'm going to call this video the half shadow. You can always take text and draw a shadow and have it like that, but it's giving you the whole letter. So let's do a half a shadow. Let's back up here so we just got our text. Let's take a rectangle tool and just put it over here. Now use the Smart Fill tool and set it on like a gray and fill in these parts of the letter that are in the rectangle. The rectangle, well, actually the line above the top is keeping the Smart Fill tool from going up there past the letter. Now you can grab all that and actually bring it down and mirror it, and then actually bring it up. You could hold down the control button to make sure you got it right on the money. You could even skew it. Now skewing, because what we're doing is getting it off the letters a little bit, but you could always grab that node right there and have it like snap to or get really close. And then you could always use your nudge distance to nudge it out of the way. Let's set our nudge factor on 0.001. Grab that. Actually have to grab the whole thing and then nudge it over till it's right on that letter. Then you can even play around with it some more. You could fill in this little area with the Smart Fill tool and maybe make it a lighter gray and fill in all the other areas. I'm just giving suggestions. I like playing around with different things in the Smart Fill tool. Just fill in all the little voids, and it's going to look like, to me, it's one of them. I'm almost going to say a magic carpet looking thing. And then you could always select the whole thing and right click no outline, and then you just have that. Pretty cool design. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.